Welcome to this RMS video where we'll be showing you all about the script function of RMS. So, in order to start off, please go to Tools and Setup, and then on the left hand side of the screen under Scripts. So we'll generate now a new script. So here the script is video tutorial script, and we click on OK. So we then have the possibility to see various information, so the script number, the ID number, what is the name, and then we can define if this generates an alarm or not. Here we can say, is it an information, is it a reminder, a warning, alarm, or an error? We'll just leave it as information at this moment in time. We can define in what group it is applicable in. So here at this moment in time we'll leave it in join group, and we can say if it's enabled or not. Oh, sorry. Let me just fill it out before saving. If I go through the various steps, I have if and an or possibilities. So if I have two functions, I can say if and or then. So if we start up with a simple overview, we can choose here from our measurement points. So we have two measurement points, one for humidity and one for temperature. Then we can say if the humidity point, if the measured value, or if it's in an alarm status. So if we say if the measured value is larger or smaller or equal to a constant or a measuring point's measured value, let's say here a constant of humidity of 50 is larger, so if the humidity measures over 50% RH, or the temperature is in alarm status, then we can define an action. So here we have set up already an action called a video tutorial action email, so we're sending out an email, or we would define another action for this setup. So here we can simply leave on not used, and we can save. So it means that if the humidity, as we said, is above 50% RH, and if the temperature is in alarm, then we will receive an information about this script, so long as I click on enable. There are various possibilities under the scripts. One of the perfect examples would be for predictive maintenance, but we'll let you define the scripts however you wish to. Thank you very much for watching.